Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes, and I have a shopping haul for you today. First up, I have to say my back is killing me, so I am not going to be doing the try on now. I'm going to try it on later, hopefully when my back is a little bit better, but I wanted to at least show you the items now because some of them you might not get a close up when I'm trying on, again due to the fact my back is killing me. So first up, I got these funky Steve Madden shoes when I was in King of Prussia Mall. Now, I've seen these shoes before. They were on my Nordstrom wish list. And, I first saw them because I got teased on them on Facebook by Nordstrom. I also saw a very similar style too, and I had them on my Pinterest board as well as my saved items list on Evereve, but they were by Schutz, all right? They were not by Steve Madden. I never did get the ones from Evereve, and I was curious about trying these. The Evereve ones were not a slingback. These are a slingback. And what ended up happening is Jamie in Your Guide to Style got these and tried them on. And when I was shopping in King of Prussia Mall, these happened to be there. And I'm like, okay, let me try them on. So I tried them on, and they actually, despite the pointy toe and the patent leather, they are quite comfortable. Maybe because they're a flat or not, whatever. But I will try them on with an outfit. Definitely a funky shoe. Definitely nothing like I own. So I'm excited to add these to my closet. All right, next up, which should be probably no surprise, I'll go first, are these denim shorts that I got from Evereve. I was looking for a pair of shorts that were cutoffs. They're the Jane long short. I will style these for you just so you can see what they look like again on me. And lastly, I got this cut from the cloth jacket. Okay, it's a crop style jacket. You might have seen it in my Evereve try on. It was the very last Evereve item I tried on. I will style this for you too. All right, so give me a few minutes and I'll show you the outfits I had in mind with these items that Okay, the first thing I'm styling for you are the shoes. So I'll stand back so you can see the shoes with this outfit. These are a pair of straight leg cuff jeans that I have from Loft in a light wash. And I paired it with this edgier coated top I've had for years from White House Black Market, and the flats. And I think this makes a cute little edgy kind of outfit. So I'm excited to add these to my wardrobe, and these are going to go in my closet. I'm just gonna have to find room for it. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next. The next item I have are the Jane long short. As you can see, it comes to my fingertips. It does have some distressing here, but nothing too significant. They are the perfect cutoff short for me. And yeah, I paired it with a basic gray t-shirt and some white Gola sneakers. And the shorts are a keeper. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the jacket. Okay, the last thing I'm styling is this jacket. And this is why I basically bought this jacket, because I wanted it to go with these tan camo pants. So I paired a White House Black Market sleeveless tank top that I specifically got with these pants, along with my Dolce Vita tan neutral sneakers and these cargo pants also from Evereve. And yes, I'm very happy. Obviously I can style this multiple ways. This is tan and neutral color, very lightweight, cut from the cloth jacket. Many ways to style it, but this is what I had in mind because I didn't have any lightweight jackets other than denim to wear with this. And yeah, that's my 3 things that I purchased on my expedition to King of Prussia. Stay tuned because I also did some online ordering and you'll see those up next. The next item I have to show you is this cut from the cloth blouse that I ordered directly from Nordstrom. Angie from Hot and Flashy, she actually showed this blouse first and I liked it so much. I put it on my wish list, and when it went on sale, I snagged it. Let me come closer so you can see how all the details and the pretty color of this. So it's like on a lavender background, but it has pink, and I forget what the heck these things are called, these medallions here, but this is very pretty and pretty unique to my wardrobe, so I couldn't pass it up. It is sheer and it is 100% polyester. I'm wearing a nude cami underneath, but I think I would switch to white because this does come quite low. You would have to wear something not only for the sheerness, but I think even a tall person, this would be coming too low because this is at like almost the midway through my bra right here. There are roll tab sleeves to it. That doesn't bother me, but of course you can also unroll them if you don't want to. I paired it with my dark wash denim that I was just wearing earlier today. They're by Cosmic Blue Love, and because there's so much going on the top, I paired it with a pair of nude sandals, okay? These are minimalistic Dolce Vita slide sandals. And yeah, this is basically a very cute little top. I keep saying I don't need any more polyester blouses, but there's always a freaking print out there that gets me. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next item. Next up, I have these plaid yellow pants that I got from Nordstrom. And spoiler alert, I got things similar to it in my Stitch Fix. And I'll be trying these on with you again when I do my Stitch Fix. I have been looking to add more yellow to my wardrobe, and I really like these. Something was drawing me to these. So these are a yellow with a light gray stripe and an off-white in it. I have it paired with just this same top that I was wearing today, and then my nude little strappy sandals from Dolce Vita. And yeah, this is a cute little outfit, I think. I can wear gray with this. I can wear like light blue with this. I can wear yellow with it. I think all of it would go. I'm going to take off the pants and set them aside, and I'm going to show you the pattern in just a bit. And just letting you know, you're going to see these pants again when I do my Stitch Fix try on. Okay, I wanted it to come closer and show you the pattern here. This is actually a light gray and yellow and a creamy white. These are a pull-on style. There are two working pockets here, but they're very shallow here in front. And I actually have the same pair of pants in a different pattern. And these are the Stella Kick Flare. And I would say they're more of a mid-rise than a high-rise. Very cute, very excited to have them. All right, now what else am I having? So one more item, which came from Stitch Fix Freestyle, and it's these shorts. I just threw on the same basic gray tee I had on earlier. These shorts are by Sanctuary. They have, they came rolled, so I'm showing it to you how they came to me rolled, and this is what the length is unrolled. I would probably keep it rolled. That's like the more comfortable length for me, but you have options with this short. Okay, it has the utility pockets here in front. Faux pockets, no, real pockets here and back, two back pockets that are real pockets, and of course the belt loops and a double button and a zipper, and it has an elasticized fast waist. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with my purchases. Thank you for hanging out with me today. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me that thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Take care, until next time.